another video, but it's locked. But now it's a thunderstorm. Wait, guys, we have to get to Andres, we have to get a semi-aquatic. Okay, so this creature is a type of thing.
Watch out, there's a mini.
I'm gonna die. Okay, so this creature is a tree mixed with a I think it's a deer. And it's really cool, and it's a huge, and it's adult. This is the adult. It's not the biggest, but it's cool. And my friend there is it's a Oxytailus, and I think he's an adult, if I'm right.
But I'm gonna be a semi-aquatic.
I'm not gonna be a semi-aquatic. I'm trying to survive at this creature. I don't think I'm gonna die, but if I die, I have to begin over with a new creature. I don't want the video to be too long, but if you don't know what is that, it's a shark fish, but we call it a sharkgasm. A sharkgasm. A shark, you know, a shark like the sea, and yeah. Okay, come look at this stuff here. Andres, come look here. Okay, let me show off my ability. Okay, so I have a stamina puddle. It boosts your stamina. Look, I'm at 68%. If I go under, already by 100%, just like that, in 2 seconds. And then I have a mud pile. And a mud pile is a thing for quests and keeping your scent away. Your scent, like not to let someone sniff you and see where are you. And I have area food restore. If you don't know what is that, so if I eat now this berries, sorry, if I eat this berries now, look, I think I'm gonna eat everything, I don't know, but if I eat it and I click that button, you're gonna see magic.
When are you making a video with semi-aquatic?
Tomorrow, guys, I'm making a video tomorrow of a semi-aquatic. Or maybe later today. Okay, so look at the fruit is 0, area food restore. Just like that. 85. Wait, Andres, there's something here. Andres? Come, you can fight it.
Yes.